What's up everyone, it's Chef Lizzie and I'm going to show you how to make whole food plant-based oil-free pozole. It's very simple. What you want to get is jackfruit, California chilies, hominy, onion, cilantro, oregano, cabbage, lime, radish. Now I'm going to do a non-spicy whole food plant-based pozole. It only needs one chili, and that chili is California chilies. What you want to do is you want to clean them, which is destem them, take out the seeds, let them sit in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, save that water. Then you want to simmer them with the same water with a half an onion and about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. You can add salt, that's optional. After that, this is what your chilies are going to look like. Messy. Should just bring this down. Do the smarter thing. I'll be right back. Okay. So I have it in the blender. I like to use a Vitamix. It's on. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it on the slow speed. Then I'm gonna move it up. You can use any blender. I just prefer the Vitamix. So after that, you can strain it, or you don't have to strain it, but it's gonna come out. You're gonna have your sauce. You're gonna wanna add that. You wanna bring it to a boil. Then you're gonna wanna lower it down to a simmer. You're gonna add jackfruit right here. You'll add hominy right here. You're gonna add oregano, some onions, and that's it. Now you can add sea salt and pepper if you want. Now you're gonna simmer this for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you can cook this in an Instant Pot the same way on high pressure for about 25 to 30 minutes. After that, and it's done simmering, it's gonna come out. It's gonna look like this. I'll bring it right to you. Let me see. That's what it's gonna look like. Looks really good. You can add your toppings. You're going to want to add your oregano, your onion, cilantro, cabbage, and your lime or lemon, just like that. I don't have no radish, so I add radish, and then it's going to look like this. How's that look? I think that looks really, really good. That is a whole food, plant-based, vegan pozole. Really simple, oil-free, sodium-free. I can't get it right with this camera. You guys have a good day. Bye.